How to pick a good school URL from a school that's been on school for like 2 years and scaling a community that's at 25K more. So you can do an identity based one. I think those are my favorite. So you have things like Synthesizer, and that's one of the biggest communities on Skool at 40K members. And it's basically the URL is the identity that people step into. And then the paid community is Scalar. It's really smart. And the other side of things is just like one words. So the shorter it is, the better it is. And the best way to pick that is literally just go to Claude or ChatGPT if you're living in the past, and literally just give it your niche and then ask for it to give you a bunch of words, and then just go to skool.com/the URL and then check if it's taken or not. And if it's not taken, check some other ones, see what your options you have, and then pick the one that's best, that you think is best. All right. Bye.